Oh, it's a bigger one. Yeah, buddy. We got some head spins going on here. Told you, far side, boys. Is it really? Fucking right. Yo, is it a hatchery or is it wild? Yo, look for the adipose fin. All right, here, I gotta release him then. Yo, take the glove off. You're gonna tail him. Okay, we gotta let him go here. Just tail him. Just no glove on. It's all good here. Okay. He's going behind you. Hey, Jesse, watch yourself. I'm gonna pull my rod in front of you here. Just tail him like that. Here, okay, walk underneath, Jess, yeah. Here, it's okay, here.
Get ready yet, bro.
Fuck, come on, buddy. Come my way. Here, just lift him up a little bit so I can get him on the video. There he is.
Beauty. Got it?
Oh, he had someone else's hook in there. There, just put his head back in. Oh, come on, buddy. Don't do that to me. Somebody else broke him off. I need to get my pliers out. Hold on 1 second.
Oh, it's getting chilly, bro.
Lift. There to get that fucking hook out. He fucking inhaled that. What the fuck is that picture? I can't really tell. There we go. There we go. All right.
Get the camera.
One more time. Hold on. Here, Jess. Hold that. Have my pliers. It's all good. It's all good. Thanks, buddy.